All right, Devil Dogs challenge today. In this pan, I have 100 Devil Dogs all set up, ready to go. Each Devil Dog, if you don't know, I'll explain what they are first. They're kind of like a cake, like a fudgy type cake, and inside there's some cream. So they're pretty simple. But each one is 180 calories. They are Drakes. If you're from around this area, you know what Drakes are. So yeah, they're a pretty popular snack, like for kids in America. If you're not from America, so yeah, we'll see if I can eat 100 of these. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. So because this pan is really full, I'll do my best. I have some chocolate milk because I didn't think that this would be enough chocolate. I don't know why I do these things, but I have some chocolate milk here. I have some hot coffee, which is too hot for me to drink right now. Maybe I'll get into it. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on this plate 10 at a time. So that's how you can kind of keep track of them. So I don't have to put counter all the way up to 100. So it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so there's 10. Let me move this over so you can see a little bit better. No time limit on this challenge. Let's just see how many I can do. I don't know if I can actually eat 100 of these. So, because it looks like a lot of volume. We'll stop the clock so I can get going. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, this is going to be really good for about 5 minutes, and then it's going to go horror show. Okay. I'm really worried about how much liquid these things are going to take to put down, so we'll find out pretty quick. I just want to drink that hot coffee right off the bat. So I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to eat these. It seems like you put them in your mouth with the flat side that sticks to your roof of your mouth right away. All right. So far, so good. There's like a sticky oil on the outside of these. I think they probably use it. Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think they use the oil as like a mold release when they're baking the cake. I noticed Twinkies has like the same thing on the outside. It tastes amazing with the coffee. There is a lot left. Oh my God. All right, that's 20 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are a royal pain in the butt to unwrap because every time you rip them, they wouldn't rip right. If you had to just unwrap one, you wouldn't even care, but if I had to wrap 100, they wouldn't rip right. And then when I take the wrappers and I put them in a box just so they wouldn't get all over the place, from the static electricity, the wrappers would pop out of the box and go to the... I got static, like pieces of plastic stuck all over me from the static electricity. Excuse me. Big pain in the butt. But we did it. I should have filmed the wrappers like popping out of them. I just put them in and they go bloop, they come right out. There was lots of swearing though, so I couldn't have been able to use the footage. It was 7, I forgot what I was doing. 8, 9, and 10. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. All right, that's 40. You had to at least 50, right? This would be a total disaster. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and oh, this will be halfway to the tray. I don't know if I'm gonna do 100 though. How much time in are we? Yeah. So I can already feel the sugar kicking in. It's a little bit early for that. Oh. I wish I would have made more coffee. It tastes really good with the coffee. Sweetness is really affecting me today. I don't know why. Ugh. Ugh. All right, this will be 50. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. And I got a bunch of the chocolate in my mouth and it's not coming out. Alright, so this will be 60. If I get through this, it's starting to get cold. I keep eyeballing the heater. I want to go turn it on. Oh, let's see what happens after the 60. All right, last one of this 10. Oh. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, 10 more. I'm gonna put on that electric heater. I know it's a little noisy. I'll try to go quick. But if I want to have a chance of finishing this, I gotta try to warm up a little bit. All right, let's try some more milk. Actually, I feel better after getting up, moving around a little bit. Let's get through these. I thought these things were supposed to, like the ends of these were supposed to be like rounded. I thought it was supposed to look like a dog bone. That's why they call them, what do they call them? Yeah, devil dogs, because I thought they were supposed to be a dog bone. And it kind of looks like it's supposed to be. Oh. All right. I'll try. Oh, it's starting to feel awful. I'll try some more though. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh. I think this is going to be hard to get through. I think this will make 80. Yeah. All right. Oh, if I can get through these, I'll actually be pretty happy. Oh. Oh. Oh, I don't know if I can do 100 of these. Oh, man. I think I'm going to get sick way before then. I'll put, I don't feel good. 2, 3, 4. And this one broke in half. 5. I'll try to get through these 5, but I may have to stop because I am not feeling good. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to stop after this, otherwise I might just make a mess. Oh, I usually don't get sick too, but these things, I don't know, there's something about them. Wow, they're getting hard to swallow. All right, this will be 86. All right, that was 86, 87, 88. Oh, I think I'm going to stop at 88 though. Oh, I'm getting close. Oh boy. Oh. I'm gonna have to stop it there. About 45 minutes. Oh, I don't feel good. Like, subscribe. Oh, don't eat 88 devil dogs. Oh, thanks for watching. Oh, God.